Action Kids and Richard today. I'm filming some actions right here. This is at the first Presbyterian church. Oh yeah, we got the witness and a Winix. We got more youths right there. They're also Winix. Yeah, we're off right now. Yeah, fair junctions one of these units for when we filmed out Winix and the what units. Yeah, here's the Winix. They're off. Fair junctions got these units already. Here's the Winix. Got to film. Oh, yeah, it ticked on. What's this one? You see it kicked on. That's cool. Yeah, this is a Winix. Oh no, look, this one's dead. Disconnect is off. Oh, this one is dead. Yeah, this one is turned on. Let's see where. Yeah, that one just went into the witness turned on. Oh, now we're shut off. So we went for a few seconds and just shut off? Huh, that's weird. This one's off. It's gonna shut off. Yeah, we need to shut off. I don't know what's wrong with that unit. You got this Winix unit. Yeah. So yeah, 3 Winixes and some Winix. That was just a sharp shit that I was at water Winix right there. I was impressed. Oh wow. The wet units are dead. Just look. The disconnect should shut off. Or they're still hooked up. They're still they're still hooked up or not. They have those disconnects. Oh weird. So or yeah. That thing was just working for a few seconds and just shut off. It's weird. This one's definitely dead. I think that shut off. Yeah, I don't know why that one's dead. I'm not sure why it's only on for a few seconds. Yeah, that's pretty weird. Alright. Somewhere, witness, 3 Winix units. Over